Alright, so a few days has passed since the last video, so I'm gonna tackle this today outside nice. So take advantage of the good weather, you understand? So this one is coming out. I'm gonna go put in, yeah, the AEM. So here we go. So everybody should have an idea how to take out the factory airbox, and obviously this is just taking out this aftermarket one to put in the next aftermarket one. So we'll see what goes on and see the difference between this one here and the new AEM one we're gonna put in. And the only reason why I'm switching it up is just because I like how it looks, I love how it sounds, but at the end of the day, pulling down always goes faster than trying to put together. But we're doing good so far. Everything is pretty much out. Heat shield gotta come out. Gonna clean up in there for a little bit and then throw the next one in. Look at dusty, but I'll clean up that real quick. AEM intake, you're gonna have to use some of the factory pieces back. So that pipe I don't need anymore. So the inlet boot that sits on the throttle body, factory one, you gotta put that back on. Or if you have factory set up, just don't take it off. And you have to utilize this as well with the factory inlet boot. If you remember in the previous part of the video, I modified mines. So yeah, and painted it. So yo, let me put this back together. Goes right here. Alright, so all the factory pieces are back on. Time to jump onto this. We just show you a little unboxing previously. Now we are working with the housing. This is going to be sitting right here, just like so. All the factory pieces are back in. Now, so this piece is going to sit right here. This is where the map sensor goes, attaches to that. Yeah, the basic concept of what's going on, but yeah. The filter still got a slides in there. Open up the box. The filter. Open this up. Yeah, you see that? Simple setup still. Huh? Yeah. Battery died on me. I don't remember where I left off or where it cut off at, so here we proceed. So this map sensor has to be switched over to here. So I'm gonna look for the screw there real quick. I'm gonna do that. This. Alright, so this I forget done. Switch out this real quick. What's this? A Torx. So knock out this switch out that, put that in, and we should be good to go. Pull out this real quick. You guys can't see me what I'm doing. I'm gonna see. You don't see that. Alright. careful with the map sensor. A map sensor, or whatever sensor it is. Mass flow sensor. That's gone, that drop. Then this is gonna put in right here. Look at O-ring on it to make sure it seals up in there. Wop wop. Seal up that good and dandy. Put the screws back in. Yo, this thing is real simple. But yo, me can do it, you can do it too. Simple thing. I'm curious to see how this one sounds. It's now pushing all the way. Tighten up now. Then this really hooks up very simple. Box here, so filter slides in. This goes on here. Where do I put the screws? Alright, boom, bang, bang. Open up this real quick. Hands is well dirty. Can't wait to go inside to clean up. Alright, I don't even know what that is, but alright, so we got this piece in, which was very simple, but you have to use two hands. Alright, drop the filter in now. Bang. Put on this cover piece. Simple like that. The map sensor is already in, or mass flow sensor, whatever you want to call it. Then you got 3 screws for putting on this. And there's actually 3 screws left in the kit, so here we go. Don't know. Alright, put in. No, let's put the first one in there. Just put in there a little bit. Get the next one in. Oops, I'm here tripping and falling, sliding and dipping. Now, Leia, go sit down in the car, please. Alright, so everything's all bolted up. Bang, bang, bang. Map sensor thing. Can't see the intake in there. Alright, so next piece now. Drop this bad boy in here. Alright. So let me come around the side over here. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, it looks like. Put this onto here. You basically put the factory inlet boot on here. This goes over here. You bolt this up to this piece right here. And yo, pretty much it. Well, I need 2 hands to go grab and deal with that. So let me put the camera down. Alright, intake is installed.